do you think, Caleb? Is that funny? Is that pretty funny? Whoa! Kaboom! Kaboom! Can you do it, Caleb?
It scared Murphy.
Did it?
Is that funny? You want to help up, Caleb? You want to do it? What do you think?
He's thinking. He's a thinker.
What do you think about that? Do you like that?
He made help in getting that.
Okay.
Ow!
Oh my gosh, I need some of this
Bubble paper.
for Grandma's house.
It's wonderful stuff. Caleb, do you like it? Psst. Over here, buddy. What do you think? Is that like the best stuff ever? Do you like it, Eleanor?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite? Can you jump on it? Jump on it.
Watch it. Watch it.